Very good afternoon, dear students. The last class discussed about 3 marks question and 5 marks question. Question number 6 and 5. Today we are discussing about left of the questions. See the question number 7. Question number 7. A man is given one condition given. The condition is a plus 2b is equal to a square. So one condition they given. By using this condition to find the B matrix. Observing this condition, a square is there. That's why first we need to calculate a square. After that, a square matrix and a matrix substitute. What is the given condition? Finally, we get the B matrix. Now we are going to solution. See the solution given. Capital A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. First we need to calculate a square. A square can be written as a into a. So a matrix substitute twice. 1, 2, 3, 4. So order of the matrix A is 2 by 2. Again substitute a matrix 1, 2, 3, 4. So this one's order of matrix is 2 by 2. Number of columns in the first matrix is equal to the number of rows in the second matrix. Both are equal. The product will be existing. We get the resulting A square matrix is 2 by 2. Now, by applying the multiplication method condition, product with the first row, first column. That's why product with first row, first column. 1 into 1, 1 plus 2 into 3, 6. Product with the first row, first column. That element right as only first row. Next product with the first row, second column. So 1 into 2, 2 plus 2 into 4, 8. So 1 into 2, 2. 2 into 4 is 8. So next we have product with the second row and the first column. 3 into 1, 3 plus 4 into 3, 12. Next product with second row, second column. 3 into 2, 6 plus 4 into 4, 16. So simplify this one. We get the A square matrix values are 1 plus 6 that value is 7, 2 plus 8 that value is 10, 12 plus 3 that value is 15, 16 plus 6 that value is 22. So we get the A square value. Now by using this condition to find the B matrix. So what the given condition is? A plus 2B is equal to A square. Now, so when they are asked any one matrix we need to calculate means remaining matrix we can take one side. That's why plus A matrix we are taking right hand side. We get 2B is equal to A square plus A we can take from LHS to RHS. We get the matrix is minus A. Now substitute A square matrix under A matrix. Now 2B is equal to, so A square matrix is 7, 10, 7, 10, 15, 22. Minus substitute A matrix is 1, 2, 3, 4. Now subtracting two matrices, then condition is subtracting the corresponding elements. First element minus first element, second element minus second element, like that. 7 minus 1, 10 minus 2. Second row first element minus first element, second row second element minus second element. So you got 2b is equal to 7 minus 1 that value is 6, 10 minus 2 that value is 8, 15 minus 8 that value is 12, 22 minus 4 that value is 18. But in this question they are asking only find B matrix. But extra what is there? 2. 2 take denominator right hand side. So B is equal to 1 by 2 into 6, 8, 12, 18. Now 1 by 2 is a scalar element. That's why each number product with 1 by 2. That's why each number product with 1 by 2. We get 6 into 1 by 2, 8 into 1 by 2, and 12 into 1 by 2, and 18 into 1 by 2. Now cancellation is possibility. That's why 2 1 ja, 2 3 ja, 3 into 1 is 3, 2 1 ja, 2 4 ja, 4 into 1 is 4, 2 1 ja, 2 6 ja, 6 into 1 is 6, 2 1 ja 2 9 ja. So we got finally B matrix is 3 4 6 9. By using this condition, finally we got the B matrix. First we need to calculate A square matrix. After that, by using this condition, finally we get the B matrix. These are required for solution in this question exercise. I think everyone understanding this question. So next we are discussing about 8th question. Next question. So the question number 8. I think everyone understanding this question. See the question number 8. A 1 2 4 7 A B C D is equal to 1 0 0 1. Find A value and B value and C value and D value. We need to calculate A, B, C, D values. Observe here students in this question, left hand side product of two matrices there. That's why by applying the multiplication of two matrices condition, after that equate the corresponding elements, we get the equations. Those equations we can solve. Finally we get the A, B, C, D values. Now we are going to solution. So given condition you should write given matrices are 1 2 4 7. Next is A B C D is equal to identity matrix 1 0 0 1. So we can simplify the left hand side product with those two matrices, product with first row first column. That's why 1 into A is 1A plus 2 into C 2C. Next product with the first row second column, 1 into B 1B plus 2 into D 2D. Next product with the second row and first column, 4 into A 4A plus 7 into C 7C. Next product with second row second column, 4 into B 4B plus 7 into D 7D is equal to 1 0 0 1. Now whenever two matrices are equal, then corresponding elements also equal. That's why first element is equal to first element. A plus 2C is equal to 1. Consider equation number 1. 4A plus 7C is equal to 4A plus 7C is equal to 0. Consider equation number 2. Next, B plus 2D is equal to 0. Consider equation number 3. Next, 4B plus 7D is equal to 1. Consider equation number 4. Now, solving those two equations, we get the A, B, C, D value. By using elimination method, A quotient, C quotient both are equal or not check. Both are equal, elimination is possibility. Both are different, elimination is not possible. That's why here in these two equations, observe it here friends. Here A quotient 1 is there, but here A quotient 4 is there. So A quotient both are different, elimination not possibility. Next we have to check another variable. C quotient 2 is there, but here C quotient 7 is there. Both are different, that's why elimination is not possibility. Whenever elimination is possibility means whenever those two equations A quotient or C quotient must be equal, elimination is possible. That's why now we are equating the A quotient, both the equations must be equal. That's why here A quotient 4 is there, but here A quotient 1 is there. Here also A quotient 4 if you want. Total equation multiplied with 4. That's why equation 1 multiplied with 4. Now 4 into 1 is 4A plus 4 into 2 is 8C is equal to 4 into 1 is 4. This one consider equation number 4. This one consider equation number 5. This one consider equation number 3. Very easy. Now solving equation number 2 and 3. Solving equations 2 and 3. We get equation 2 is 4A plus 7c is equal to 0. Third equation is 4a plus 8c is equal to 4. Subtracting sign will be changed. Plus 4a minus 4a get cancelled. 7c minus 8c, that is minus c is equal to minus 4. Both the sign negative get cancelled. We got c is equal to 4. C value substitute either equation number 1 or 2. So c value substitute in equation number 1 we get. So equation 1 is a plus 2c. Equation 1 is a plus 2c. In place of c substitute 4 is equal to 1. 2 into 4, that value is 8 is equal to 1. Plus I take right hand side, so 1 minus 8. So a is equal to got minus 7. So a value you got minus 7. Next, solving equation number 4 and 5 you get b value under d value. Dear students, here also b coefficient both are different. That's why we are equating the b coefficient, both the equations are equal. That's why b coefficient 4 is there, b coefficient 1 is there. The total equation 1 with 4, that time both the equation we get b coefficient will be equal. That's why equation number 4 multiply with 4. Because of both the b coefficient are different, elimination is not possibility. So when elimination is possibility, both the b coefficient values must should be equal. Elimination is possible. That's why now we are equating both the equation b coefficient must should be equal. But fourth equation 4 is not there. That's why total equation multiplied with 4. We get the equation is 4 into b 4b plus 4 into 2d is 8d is equal to 4 into 0 0. Consider equation number 6. Now solving equation number 5 under 6. Solving equations 5 under 6 we get. The equation 5 is 4b plus 7d is equal to 1. Sixth equation is 4b plus 8d is equal to 0. Subtracting sign will be changed. 4b minus 4b get cancelled. 7d minus 8d, that value is minus d is equal to 1. So both the product with a negative. So we get d is equal to minus 1. Now d value substitute either equation number 4 or 5. So d value substituting in equation number 4. We get the equation number 4 is b plus 2d. 2 into place of the substitute minus 1 is equal to 0. Now b plus into minus is minus, 2 into 1 is 2 is equal to 0. Minus take from LHS to RHS, we get b is equal to 2. So finally we got the a, b, c, d values. Finally write conclusion. A is equal to minus 7, b is equal to 2, c is equal to 4 and d is equal to minus 1. Like that we can solve this equation, this question. Finally we get the a, b, c, d value. This is the solution for this question here, students. I think everyone understanding. Before question on this question, suppose if you have any doubt is there, please call me. I will explain what your doubt will be there. So tomorrow class discussing about question number 9 and 10. Thank you all.